So we've talked a little bit about what technical analysis is. Now let's talk about what it's not. And above all else, technical analysis is not a crystal ball. We're not predicting the future. All we're doing is using historical information, price patterns, volume, indicators, and we are trying to leverage all of that knowledge and try and gather an educated guess of what's going to happen. It is not about predicting, and we are not providing concrete targets or predictions or expectations. Technical analysis is not foolproof, and it's not always even reliable. We are just trying to find the most likely outcome in a given situation. There are many times when you're looking at a chart and there is simply no way to discern possible direction or possible outcome. There are other instances where you have a very clear pattern, you have recognizable conditions that you have seen before and that have always been reliable for you, and you use that information with your technical analysis to say to yourself, yeah, I think it's more likely that the price is going to go up than it is to go down. And that is the difference between forecasting and predicting. If you're looking at market conditions and you recognize a lot of what's happening and you've seen it before, you can make a forecast based on that information. And that is a lot different than simply looking at a chart and saying, I believe that SPY is going to go to 300. Prediction has no information to back it. Forecasts use the context, the current market conditions, and experiential knowledge to try and find the most likely outcome. Potentialities and preparation are absolutely critical in technical analysis. We need to look at every possible outcome in a given situation. We need to be prepared for us being correct, the price moving in the direction that we want, but we also need to be prepared for the price going against our forecast. Having a plan of action in place for both outcomes is absolutely vital to using technical analysis. And we have to understand and react to market conditions. We are not simply using this crystal ball to make a decision based on pure speculation. We are using information, we are ingesting, digesting, we are understanding, and ultimately we are going to be reacting to what is presented to us. Technical analysis is a means to understand the odds of a given trade.